Hello everyone, this is Rob again. Let me get this box turned around, and as always, first things first, we need to make sure that we have circulated nickels. Let's pull a roll at random, and you know what? Looking pretty circulated to me. Love when I see older Jefferson hitters. As always, let me get started on this hunt, and I will loop you in as I find good finds. Let's get to hunting. All right, guys, only the second roll in, and we score our first old Jefferson. Got ourselves here a 1940 Philadelphia mint. Pretty worn, but still pretty cool. Let's keep looking. Roll number 3. Keep your fingers crossed, guys. It looks like it's a 40s, maybe 50s. It's worn pretty well, and it has the look. Yep, 1941 D. I'll take it. That's 3 rolls in and 2 40s coins already. An 82 that's ugly as can be. And while we got you here, we'll just take a quick peek at the rest of these. And they got nothing on it. So we'll dump those away and go to that 4th roll. Okay, 6th roll in, and I peeked at it by mistake, guys. It was actually flipped over, and I don't know why I flipped it, but I'll still take it. 1946 Philadelphia mint. That's 3 40s in the first 6 rolls. So off to a pretty decent start. We're now in the 11th roll in, and pretty ugly one, but guess what? It's a 41S. So we'll take that all day, every day. Good bit mark, good year. Not the greatest coin, but we've got lots more to look through. All right, guys, I'm in my 18th roll, and I just pulled this 1968 off the top, and as I pulled it, it slid, and I can see the makings of a buffalo behind it. Unfortunately, I can see where the date would be, and it looks like it's dateless. Looks like it's in really rough condition as well. Oh, you know what? Looks like it's a 23, and it has a mint mark. Looks like it might be a D. Let me take a couple of seconds to examine this under the loop, give it a slight washing with soap and water, and see what we see. I'm guessing it's a 20-something for sure, and it's a D. Oh, you know, it might be a 30-something now that we look at it. Hard to tell. Let me get it washed up. Let me get it looked at under the loop and see if I can see what it is. I'll be right back. All right, guys. I've washed it off. I've looked at it under the loop. You can probably tell from this angle, maybe, but it's confirmed for sure a 1920, which is a good coin. And that, with all indications, should be a D mint mark for Denver. So anyone with a loop would be able to tell for certain that it's a 1920 D nickel, and that's a good coin. This isn't your standard $1 or $2 nickel. This is a $20 nickel. If it was in circulated condition, at least, you know, good to fine. And I think that's slightly under good to fine. So it's probably about half that value, but still, I'll take a $8 to $10 nickel all day long. I don't have a 1920D, and now I do. It's a good placeholder for an upgrade down the road. And staying true to this bank's MO, they seem to give up dated Buffalo nickels that aren't just key or semi-keys. They're pretty damn good mints as well. So, that being said, let's get back to the hunt. We still got almost a 2/3 full box of nickels to go through. And we've already got a Buffalo. Well, we're on roll number 20, and looks like it could be a good one. Let's crack into this roll and see what it is. Hopefully it's not a 1964 trying to fool me. Well, it wasn't a 64 trying to fool me. It was a 1962 fooling me. Let's get back to the hunt. All right, guys, 23rd roll in, and I started to pop the ends, and I realized that A, we had an older Jefferson on that side, but it wasn't that old. And then I started to pull this one apart, and we got a 1941 ender. So let me open this roll completely now, and try to do this one-handed here. Pull out this ender. $1941. Looks like it's a S. 41S. So we will take a 41S all day. Put it right there. Not seeing anything else worth mentioning yet. We'll go through this roll and see if we find anything else. Roll number 28. Got our first foreign coin. We got a Canadian here. 1994. Put it with the Canadian area, since we don't have any more at 1 right now, but optimistic. Roll number 30. Just missed silver. 1946D. We will take it. Let's keep looking. All right, guys, same roll as that 4060 we just got. We got a 55D, and right behind it, a 48. Roll number 32. Looks like we got ourselves a 1947D. We'll take it. And I think, yep, I see a 1952 plain. We'll take it as well. Let's get back to the hunt. All right, we're already up to roll number 39, and we did grab another 1941S. Little bit toasty, but we'll take it. And we're gonna keep looking. 49th roll of the box. 1947D. So we're almost at the end. It's been a little bit of an average box, especially for this bank, but you know what? You're gonna go through some average boxes, and we still have a roll and a half left, so you never know. Okay, guys, we've finished this box. For this bank in particular, this was below average, but it was still a good box, and I'll show you why. We ended up with 83 total, 60 coins, 3 2009s, a 1994 Canadian. We only ended up with 7 in the 50s, and we got a couple of 52s. I'm sorry, 3 52s, 3 55s, and a 56 right here. In the 40s, we got a 1940 and 4 41s. We got 2 46s, 2 47s, and a 48. I kept this 1962 hazed with a kind of a pinkish purple tone. I liked it. I also kept this 1973 coin in really good shape. It almost has full steps. It's got a few scratches across a couple, but still a nice find. I'll pull it out for now. And then the coin of the box is this 1920D Buffalo. Hope you enjoyed this hunt with me. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.